Hello guys, hope you all are doing great. I am good. Welcome back to my creative world. Welcome to my art journaling vlog, where I dive into the vibrant tapestry of my thoughts and experiences. Through colorful pages, I explore the essence, the journey of my life. Without further ado, let's get started. In this art journaling, I explore the essence of my childhood memories, the dreams that touch my heart, and the spiritual signs that guide my journey. Each entry reflects my personal growth and transformations, capturing my favorite quotes and beliefs that inspire me daily. I also celebrate my love for nature, weaving in its beauty and tranquility into my art. Join me as we embark on this creative adventure together, sharing insights and inspiration that resonate with our souls. In this post, we'll delve into the world of art journaling, offering you ideas, examples, and practical tips to ignite your own art journaling practice. Whether you're a seasoned artist or just beginning your creative exploration, an art journal is sure to open the door to a universe. Keeping an art journal can help capture the essence of experiences and emotions, allowing us to explore and express our inner worlds with depth and creativity. By combining visual imagery, writing, and mixed media techniques, your art journal becomes a transformative space where imagination and self-reflection intertwine. It becomes a visual diary that tells the story of your life, preserving the moments, thoughts, and inspirations that shape your artistic journey. Some of these pages encapsulate my spiritual transformation through meditation, illustrating the profound journey I embarked upon several years ago when I began to visualize aura colors, aided by the chanting of specific mantras. This transformative experience did not occur overnight. Rather, it is the culmination of years of dedicated practice rooted in the teachings of Raj Yoga imparted by a revered guru monk during my childhood. These paintings refer the transformation from cocoon to a butterfly. This metamorphosis not only highlights the complexity of biological development, but also symbolizes renewal and transformation in nature, illustrating the profound changes that can occur in life cycles. Raj Yoga practices have significantly contributed to my growth within the invisible realms of spirituality, allowing me to deepen my understanding and connection to the metaphysical world. Devi Durga, embodying the essence of Shakti, represents the divine feminine energy that resides within each individual. This collaging art serves as a reminder of the latent power, or Kundalini Shakti, that often remains dormant in many. By invoking this inner strength, individuals can transcend their limitations and achieve greater spiritual empowerment. While Ma Shakti is an infinite source of energy, we are but minute fragments of her vast essence. Awakening this inherent power not only enhances personal growth but also fosters a deeper connection to the universal energy that sustains all life. This painting of Lord Buddha encapsulates the essence of purity, peace, and honesty that defines his teachings and philosophy. The serene expression on Buddha's face reflects an inner tranquility, symbolizing the profound peace that arises from enlightenment and mindfulness. The use of soft colors and gentle lines further emphasizes the purity of his spirit, inviting viewers to contemplate the virtues of compassion and integrity. Through this artistic representation, the timeless values of honesty and moral clarity are highlighted, serving as a reminder of the path to spiritual awakening that Buddha advocates for all humanity. The mantra, Om Mani Padme Hum, holds profound significance in Buddhism, encapsulating the essence of compassion and the path to enlightenment. Each syllable of this sacred phrase represents a vital aspect of spiritual development. Om symbolizes the universal sound, Mani translates to jewel, representing the altruistic intention to attain enlightenment. Padme means otis, signifying purity and spiritual awakening, and Hum embodies the unity of method and wisdom. Reciting this mantra is believed to invoke the blessings of the Bodhisattva of compassion, fostering a deep connection to the principles of love, empathy, and the quest for liberation from suffering. An art journal is a personal and creative journal that combines elements of both writing and visual art. Art journaling serves as a space to express yourself, explore your thoughts and emotions, and experiment with various art techniques and materials. Unlike traditional journals that primarily focus on written entries, an art journal incorporates visual elements such as drawings, paintings, collages, photographs, mixed media, and other forms of artistic expression. An art journal can include a wide range of materials like watercolors, acrylics, colored pencils, markers, pens, magazine cutouts, found objects, even digital art or photos. Combine written reflections, quotes, poems, or stream of consciousness writing with your visual art. Writing can add depth and context to your artwork and provide a deeper connection to your thoughts and emotions. Write down your favorite quotes or meaningful lyrics, and illustrate them in a way that resonates with their message. You can create a page entry based on a recent dream you had. Illustrate the dream's scenes, symbols, or emotions, and write down any details you can recall. Here I have documented a dream I had 3 years before, focusing on scenes, symbols and emotions that stood out to me. This painting is based on one of my memorable dream of unconditional love energy. We can use illustrations, colors, and textures to visually represent the dream's elements. At the end I write down the details which I can recall, such as sensations or significant. We can capture the beauty of nature by sketching flowers, trees, landscapes, or any natural elements that inspire us. I had illustrated here a remarkable visual experience that unfolded before me, capturing the essence of a natural phenomenon. One serene morning, just after dreaming of a love-infused energy, I observed a swarm of white butterflies gracefully dancing around a tree, illuminated by the bright sunlight. This mesmerizing sight, unlike anything I had encountered before, left a profound impact on me, especially as I noted the time to be 11:11, a moment that resonated deeply with significance. Intrigued by its spiritual implications, I explored its meaning in my life, perceiving it as a message from the universe. Here I have done an abstract collage patterns or texture by using white tissue papers, newspapers, printed tissue papers. Gather all papers by tearing all thoroughly. Arrange these items on your page, pasted it all one by one, overlapping and experimenting with different compositions and layering techniques. This painting evokes cherished childhood memories of my joyful escapades in my father's vibrant garden, where flowers and vegetables flourished in abundance. During the cauliflower season, I eagerly tended to the plants, eagerly anticipating the moment when new sprouts would emerge from the soil. My delight was palpable, as I would exclaim in joy upon discovering each new growth. Observing my enthusiasm, my father affectionately remarked that I had flitted through his beautiful garden like a butterfly, embodying the innocence and wonder of youth amidst nature's bounty. The joy one felt during this ecstatic moment compelled me to document the experience in my art journal, where I reflected on its significance and the beauty of nature's fleeting wonders. The painting of yin-yang energy masterfully embodies the interplay of masculine and feminine forces, symbolizing the essential balance between these dual energies. The cool, watery blue hues represent the nurturing and intuitive qualities traditionally associated with the feminine, while the vibrant red tones evoke the dynamic and assertive characteristics of the masculine, reminiscent of Mars. Through this visual representation, the artwork invites contemplation on the intricate relationship between these opposing yet complementary forces. This harmonious juxtaposition not only illustrates the coexistence of these energies but also emphasizes the importance of equilibrium in achieving a holistic existence. The concept of angelic entities has long captivated those who are attuned to the invisible dimensions of existence, particularly as one becomes aware of the aura that surrounds living beings. This awareness fosters a belief in the presence of unseen forces that influence our lives, guiding and protecting us in ways that are often imperceptible to the naked eye. My conviction in the existence of such entities is further reinforced by artistic representations such as the painting of an angel that resonates deeply with my spiritual beliefs. This artwork serves as a poignant reminder of the ethereal realm and the benevolent beings that inhabit it, affirming my understanding of a reality that transcends the physical world. Consider incorporating various elements into your sketching, such as textures, patterns, and backgrounds. You can create textural painting by using some regular materials, colors, shapes, lines. Here I have experimented with different mark-making techniques, such as splattering, dripping, or gestural strokes. The intersection of sound, light, and visual art has always held a certain allure in creative expressions. The experience of encountering a painting that embodies concepts like profound sound and the thematic essence of the bright lines can be transformative. The phrases, Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya, and Asotoma Sadgamaya, are rooted in ancient wisdom, reflecting the journey from darkness to light and from illusion to truth. These powerful mantras serve as guiding principles, evoking a sense of spiritual awakening and enlightenment that resonates deeply with the theme of the art. It's an art of word doodling. We can select a word or a phrase that resonates with our thoughts, personal meaning, and then doodle around it, turning the text into an artful design. Experiment with different lettering styles and techniques to turn the text into an artful design. Embellish the word doodle with illustrations, patterns, or decorative elements that enhance its visual representation. You can use your art journal as a space for poetry, exploring meaning or how it relates to your life. Enhance your reflections with complementary artwork or illustrations. Use your art journal as a space for personal daily reflections. You can fill the pages by writing about your thoughts, experiences, or challenges, and pair them with expressive illustrations. Write freely and let your thoughts flow, expressing yourself authentically. There are many pages remained empty. Hope I will fill it up with my colorful creative expressions and will share it with you all in future. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next. Still then, bye-bye. Take care. Namaste.
In the ice, head to toe in tie-dye.